Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna replace our AC vent on this Nissan Altima. So if your Altima look like this, guys, doesn't matter what year it is. If it's 2018, no, I think it's 2019 and up. So if it's 2019 and up and it look like this, it's gonna be the same procedure of changing your AC vent. And the vent we are going to change is this one right here on the driver's side. So we have a flathead screwdriver to get in here and just pry back on the thing, on the side piece right here. Alright, so once we get that done, we need to pry out the bottom piece. You can just hold this right here. You can see where my hand is, so just hold it right there, pull back on it, that as far back as you need it to go, because guys, the whole AC vent is from this piece right here all the way to this piece right here. So yeah guys, let me show you. This is the box right here. This is the part number right there. So you can see the part number. And this is right here is the AC vent. So there you go. I guess we can hold this and pull it out now based on how it looks. Alright, so when you pull on this piece gonna come. So once you pull that out, just have this like this. That's okay. And also we need to take out this vent at the top. So right here, we can squeeze this down, pry that out. So that's what we're gonna do. So guys, and the camera fall again. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel and help me grow this channel. Let's grow this channel together. Back to the I guess the camera wanted to show my face. So quick tip, just kind of flex it up like this. So kind of flex it like that, and when you flex it like that, you just push down on this tab and the vent will release. Then you can throw out that old vent and get this new vent that we have right here. So let's see, it won't go the wrong way, so you don't have to worry if you're gonna put the vent the wrong way. It just won't go in. You gotta set the vent right and lock it in. So there you go. So the next step, we're gonna move over to here and install it. Make sure it's under this piece right here. Make sure all your clips line up with the holes. And then you just tap it in. So the compressor running won't let me be great, but I'm gonna talk a little bit louder so you guys can hear me. And also, once you clip it in, everything gonna sit flush. So that's what you're looking for. That's what you want to happen. You can go ahead and set this back. So there you go. Everything is coming back together nicely. This part, you just want to line up back your holes, and then that snap right into place. So the only tool you need, guys, is your hand. You don't need nothing else. And get this piece, put this back right here. So there you go, the AC vent is good. We're gonna turn on the AC. We can close the vent like that. We can open it like that. We can feel the breeze. You can hear the breeze. And that's it for this video, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. And peace out. Let's get one for the thumbnail. Alright. Alright, peace out.